Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your TV and sound device support HDMI ARC or eARC. This matters because ARC carries audio back to the receiver. Once verified, power both units off to prevent handshake errors, then plug a high-speed HDMI cable into the TV's ARC-labeled port and the soundbar or AV receiver's HDMI ARC input. Make sure cable is fully seated. You do this first to ensure the devices can negotiate audio channels and control signals when powered on. Power on the TV and receiver, then navigate the TV audio settings to select HDMI ARC or external receiver as the audio output. This routes TV sound through your HDMI link. Next, enable HDMI CC or any HDMI control option on both devices so volume and power commands pass through. On the receiver or soundbar, pick the HDMI ARC input as the active source. Once done, run a quick audio test using TV menus or a video app to confirm the receiver receives the complete setup by playing a clip and checking audio output on the receiver. Adjust input levels or sound modes for best clarity. If you get no sound, power cycle both devices, reseat the HDMI cable, and re-enable ARC/CEC. This resolves most handshake failures. If audio lags, use the TV or receiver's lip sync/audio delay setting to align sound with picture. Remember, changing TV apps can reset outputs, so make sure the TV output remains set to ARC after app switches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.